Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. In this video I will explain what is the PHP arithmetic operator and how we can use inside a real projects. First of all, here's like a PHP operator is a lots of, but I will start like one by one. Right now I will explain like a arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator inside lots of operator there, but I will use like mainly four operator: addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. So addition how to work, subtraction how to work, and multiplication how to work, and division how to work, I will explain one by one. So let's open the one index.php file, and already I have started, and I will explain how to use in real project, like subscription how to work, means all the operator how to work inside a real project. Suppose I will make one example. So we need to use like a one mark sheet. Suppose you need to make a marks inside a like file, like a, I can make subject 1, okay, sub 1. I will create a one variable sub 1 inside like a 50 marks, okay, sub 2 inside there like a 70 mark, okay. This is the database value, but I just show you sub 3 is equal to 80 marks, and let's make a semicolon. I am declaring the variable sub 4 means subject 4 is equal to like 85, okay, and sub 5. So here is there is like a same is like a, let's make 19, okay. So total marks is equal to 500. So first of all we need to get like a, what is the addition operator we can use, and we can get a, what the student get the mark. So we need to make a sum, so we can use the like addition operator. So we can make like a received mark, we can create a new variable received mark. So dollar sub plus dollar sub 2. So let's make a echo, and we can check first what is the total I get. 50 plus 70, so is the total is a 120. So just go back again, refresh the page, so I get a 120. You can see it here, okay. So let's make a, like a sub plus, so is the addition work very well, no issue. Dollar sub 3, so I just save, and dollar sub 4 and dollar sub 5, okay. So here I can get a total marks, means received a mark, what the student received a mark. So just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like 375 he received a mark for the students. So here we use like a addition, means addition operator. Now we need to use like a subscription operator, like subscription. So just we need to declare a new variable, like a, just make like a br. So going to next line, this reasons, and here I created like this is the variable. So I can use like a total marks minus received mark. So I will get like a what mark he not received, like remaining marks. So just go back again, I will make here echo, and just go back again, and let's see what's the mark he not received. 125 is not received a mark, because total mark is the 500, you can see it, and he received like 375, and 125 is not received. So we can get like what mark he not received here. Suppose you are using the real project, you need to make like this sum, okay. You are making sum for the students, after you can get like received a mark like this sum, okay. Inside for each loop, inside you can do it, otherwise you can do for loop, whatever working real project. So you need to make a sum, okay. After you can do it like a, I need to like a client asking me what I need to do is a one another column, what mark is not received means remaining mark. So you can make a minus sign, you can use, and you can show here. Now is the client told me I need a percentage, so what percentage is there? So let's make it here br, and we can go down. So we need to use a percentage, so we can use a multiplication. So first we need to make a multiplication. So multiplication how to works, received a mark into 100. So this is the like a calculation about the multiplication. So let's make a go and back and refresh the page. So because I have not put here echo, so let's make a echo. So here I can get 37500. So we have make a multiplication because it's 100, this reason. Now we need to get a like a percentage. So how we can do it? So just we can copy same line and put down, and here I can use like another one division. So what I can do it, division inside multiplication divide by total marks, so I get a percentage. So you can see it here. So just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it's 75% I get. Suppose I will change here mark like a 92, so I can change here like a 20, 50. So automatic change here percentage, so you can see it, everything is automatic work. You can see 67%. What is the multiplication here there? Here is the remaining mark there, and here is the he received mark there. So you can see it like how to work like a operator, arithmetic operator, and how to we can use it inside real project. Real project inside we can store all the marks in one variable wise I can decision. Otherwise, do you want to make like a, this is the one and this one need to use one way. So how we can do it? Remaining mark to always do it one. But suppose you need to make like direct percentage in one variable. So how we can do it? Let's show you. Echo, let's make it here like a BR. So it's going to down again. I just copy all thing and I just put here echo into 100, and this is the also I can put it inside divide by total mark is equal to, like this is the variable whatever do, otherwise you can use directly, so also work. So here I use the addition, multiplication and division, so I will get automatically percentage. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it same is 67. We don't want to need anything above code, just I can comment out all the code. So automatic all work, just no need this also comment. So automatic get the percentage is a one line, but I will show you like different way into different part wise how it works. So I hope you are clear now. So just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it's 67. Okay, I hope you are clear now. Suppose we can use direct like this, okay, divisions. We don't want to use a multiplication like this, so just you can copy this line and you can put here and just comment out next line. So also can work like received a mark. So received a mark, let's make uncomment. So is the received a mark, what I received, we don't want to show echo here, just remove the echo and into hundreds. After we need to make a total marks, so just go back again, refresh the page, so also work. Suppose you can change here mark like 40, so also here you can change the percentage, you can easily understand. Suppose I can make it like everybody like 100, so you get the 100 totals. Let's make it so you can see it like 100% also you get it. I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it. This is the user, he can receive 99. Can I just go back and refresh the page, so you can see it like 99.18 he received the percentage. Same thing you can do it any place, so it's working like this. Okay, 99.6, this is the percentage you get. So it's a multi-place work, like you can make it like a single way. You can using the bunch wise, so also work. You can using the big bunch wise, so also work. I hope do you have clear everything. So do you have any questions? So please comment out, and I will explain next video like another operator, because this is the operator is a lots of operator there. So one by one I will explain all the operator. Do you have any questions? So please comment out, and do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel.